How to create boring sleep videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create boring sleep videos that is currently trending on YouTube. Now, if you're planning to start making faceless YouTube videos, but you're still not sure which type of niche to go into, then you can go into the sleep video niche. These videos are generating massive views on YouTube. Now, let me take you to my YouTube homepage and then show you example of such videos. Now, when you come to the YouTube homepage and type sleepless historian, this particular channel is currently making it big time on YouTube. Let me take you to the channel and analyze their videos. Now, when you go through the videos on this channel, you can see that all the videos they are making are just sleep videos, and you can tell from the title of those videos. Now, when you look at the number of videos that they have made so far on this channel and the number of subscribers they have gained so far with just 88 videos, it tells you that these are videos that are doing extremely well on YouTube. When you look at the total views on this channel, it's over 19 million views with just 87 videos. Then in the last 30 days, this channel was able to make over 6 million views. If you're wondering why these videos are currently making views or are trending on YouTube, I'm going to explain that using the comment section of one of these videos. Now look at the first video, 2 a.m. in the UK. You are getting me through the night. Thank you. So this is a video that is calming the person down. Now look at this one, 4:48 a.m. Crookwell, Australia. This channel keeps sanity when sick, waking up, coughing in fit. Thank you. Nothing put me to sleep faster than medieval wedding drama, and I mean that as a compliment. So you can see from the comment section, people really enjoy these videos because it calms them down. It helps them throughout the night, even when they are having so much in their mind to deal with. So you will notice that most of these videos are long form videos, over 2 hours videos. Look at this, over 2 hours videos, but this video is still making views on YouTube and is trending on YouTube. I just don't want to follow any trend. Like I've been saying in my videos, if I see anything trending, I want to confirm whether these videos can be monetized on YouTube first, or this videos has a potential of making money before I follow it. So because of that, I decided to check on YT Large whether this channel is monetized, and guess what? According to YT Large, this channel is currently monetized on YouTube. Ads are active, everything is active on this channel. And I also decided to check how much this channel is making on YouTube, and guess what? You are going to be surprised with the amount this channel is making every month. When you scroll all the way down, you will see that in the last 30 days, this channel made between $1,000 to $24,000 on YouTube. Now, when you look at their weekly earnings, is between $200 to $4,000 according to Social Blade. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through the entire process step by step. These are simple videos that you should be able to create in just 10 minutes. So let me take you through the entire process step by step. So now the first thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT and enter this prompt in ChatGPT. I want you to analyze the channel Sleepless Historian. Please describe the channel's overall style, the content approach, the typical video format, the topic they cover, the tone and narration style used in their videos, the visuals, audio aesthetics, and based on your analysis, suggest 5 new YouTube video topics that would fit well with this channel style. Each topic should be suitable for sleep-friendly, calm narration style. Avoid intense drama or suspense, keeping a soothing tone. Please ensure the video topics are original, engaging, suitable for videos, and 30 minutes to 2 hours in length. If you want me to share the prompt with you, go to the comment section, type share the prompt with me, and I'm going to share a link to this prompt with you. So what I'm going to do is to go back and copy the channel link. So this is the channel link. I'm going to copy it like this and then go back to ChatGPT and paste the channel link here. So you can see after analyzing everything and giving me the original video, ChatGPT went ahead to ask me, would you like me to script out one of these topics in the sleepless history style? Let me know which one appeals to you most. So what I'm going to do is to highlight this yes with option 4. Then hit on the command button. So now the next thing I did was to ask ChatGPT to remove all the subtitles from the script because I don't want to do it manually. The next thing we are going to do is to copy it and paste it in our Google Docs. So I'm going to copy everything right from here, then open to my Google Docs and paste it here. Now that we have a script well edited. The next step is image generation. For the image generation, we have a sample video, or we have a reference video. Now, if you look at our video carefully, you will notice that it follows a particular style of video and the images are in particular style. For you not to deviate from your reference video, we are going to screenshot an image from the video to use as a reference. I've already screenshot the image, so go to ChatGPT and click on the add button, and then click on the location where you save your reference image. So this is the reference image. Tap on it and click on the open button. Here I'm going to ask ChatGPT, what type of image style is this? I'm going to hit on the command button for ChatGPT's feedback on that. So now this is the feedback I had from ChatGPT. You can see ChatGPT are giving me the style name, the meaning, the period, the medium, the subject, the characteristics of the picture, and every detailed thing that I need to know about the picture. Now, the reason why we ask ChatGPT to analyze the picture is that we want ChatGPT to be able to understand the kind of images that was used in this particular history video that we are using as reference. So now this is the next prompt. Suggest another image format to use instead of the Japanese. So this is a name. So I'm going to copy the name here and paste it here. So here you can see ChatGPT has given me 6 different suggestions to use instead of the Japanese style. So we have the art, we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So I'm going to go with the European portraiture. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to enter this prompt. Divide the script into 10 scenes and give me an image prompt to use for each scene using the... Now this is where we are going to enter our image style name. So I'm going to copy, there's an image style that we want to use, copy it, and then enter it here. Then hit on the command button. So now you can see ChatGPT has successfully divided the script into 10 scenes for us and has also suggested image prompt for each scene. So what we are going to do next is to generate our images using a free image generative tool. So for that, we are going to go to our browser and type Piclome here. So we're going to use a Piclome AI and then click on the first link. Then click on the launch app or get started for free button here. Now here we're going to enter our prompt. So let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt. So this is the first prompt. I'm going to copy it like this and then go to Piclome and then paste my prompt here. Bring your cursor here and click on the model to choose one of the models. So we're going to choose the Flax 1 Chanel and then choose the aspect ratio. We're going to choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Choose the number of images we want per each generation. So we're going to choose 2 images and hit on the command button here. Now let's wait for Piclome to generate our first image for us before we think of generating the second one. So you can see Piclome have generated the first one for us. Let's look at it. These are the first 2 images that Piclome provided. So we're going to go back, go to ChatGPT and copy the second one. So we're going to copy this one, then go back to Piclome and paste it here. Then hit on the command button. Now let's go back and copy the third one. Copy it and then go back and paste it like this. I'm gonna hit on the command button. Okay, so now that we have all our images generated using the Piclome AI, the next thing we are going to do is to download these images to our computer. So we're going to start with the first one, the second image. Just use the download button here to download your images. The next thing we are going to do is to generate our voiceover. Make sure you watch this part carefully because it is not the regular voiceover that you generate that I'm going to do. I'm going to show you another way of generating it. Now for the voiceover, we are going to use 11 Labs. So I'm going to head over to my browser and type 11 Labs here. Just 11 Labs and then choose the first option here. Now click on the sign up button if you do not have an account. But if you already have an account, just click on the login button. There's a new feature on 11 Lab that enables you to design a voice to use. So we are going to use that feature to design our voice to use. So for this feature, we are going to click on voice design feature here at the top. This is where we are going to design our voice. So to design our voice, we will need a prompt here to use. So for the prompt, we are going to go to my prompt. This is the prompt I'm going to use. I'm going to copy it like this. So this is a prompt. Design a voice of an old British man, aged around 65 to 75 with raspy, deep, and slightly gravely tone. The voice should sound calm, professional, and relaxed, yet maintain an assertive, authoritative presence. His speech pace should be measured and deliberate without sounding rushed. The overall tone should convey wisdom and experience, but with slightly boring or monotonous delivery that makes him sound reserved and serious. The voice should feel suitable for narrating documentaries, giving formal instructions, or reading historical text. Now, if you want me to share the prompt with you, go to the comment section, share the prompt with me, and I'm going to share this prompt with you. So now let's go back to 11 Labs, and I'm going to paste the prompt here. So now you can put in a text here to preview the voice before you generate. I'm going to copy part of my script and paste the script here. I'm going to click on the generate voice button and wait for my voice to be generated for me. So now you can see 11 Labs have given us 3 versions of the voice. So we're going to preview each of these voice and choose one. So let's see.
When night fell.
Great. So this is the second one.
Hello, my friends, and welcome.
This is the third one.
Hello, my friends, and welcome.
So I'm going to select the voice too and click on the select voice button and select it. Here I'm going to name it boring voice. We're going to choose English as value and then click on the save button and save it. So we also have to describe this voice. So they said the description should be less than 500 characters. So we're going to copy this description and go back to ChatGPT to reduce it to 400 characters. So let's go back to ChatGPT, paste the description here and say reduce this to 400 characters and hit on the command button. So I'm going to copy it and then go to my description and paste the description here. Now click on the save voice button and save this to your collection. Okay, so when you go to your voices, you will see the voice that you have generated. So that's the voice, the boring voice. So now the next thing you are going to do is to generate a voiceover. So to generate the voiceover, bring your cursor to the left here, click on studio, click on start from scratch here. It gives you the opportunity to create a lot, to generate a longer voiceover at a go. So now what I'm going to do is to go back to my script. This is a script. I'm going to copy everything like this and then go back to 11 Labs and paste the script here. Then I'm going to select my voice. This is the voice that I generated and click on apply button to apply that. Now we're going to hit on the generate button. Okay, so when you click on the generate button, it's going to generate a voiceover for you. So now you're going to hit on the export button to export the voiceover to our computer. Now click on the download button and then you can now download it to our computer. So now that we have our images to our computer, we also have our voiceover to our computer. We're going to merge everything using an editing app of our choice. So we're going to use CapCut to do that. So open to CapCut and click on create project. Now click on the import button to import all your images and your voiceover. So these are the images. We're going to select everything and click on the open button to import everything to CapCut. So now that we have everything in CapCut, the next thing we are going to do is to add all our images to our timeline based on the scenes that ChatGPT provided for us. We're going to first add the voiceover to our timeline, followed by the images. So these are the images. We're going to start with the first image. So this is the first image. Tap, drag and drop it on the timeline. Now what you can do to support me with this video is by liking the video and also subscribing to the channel, and also share the video with families and friends who need this video, and leave a nice comment in the comment section for me, because that's the only way you can support me to create more videos like this. I'm going to add a second image. Tap and drag and drop it on your timeline. Just tap, drag it and drop it on your timeline. Then we do the same thing to the next one and then the other subsequent images. You can see the clips are shorter than the voiceover that we have on the timeline. So what we're going to do is to copy everything and then bring your cursor to the end of one of the image, and then when the cursor changes, you can expand the image a little to make sure it matches the voiceover on the timeline. Keep doing that till it matches your voiceover on your timeline. So now the next thing we are going to do is to reduce the volume. Anytime you add a voiceover to your timeline and you see these yellow bars, like I always say, it means that the voice the volume is too high and you need to adjust it. So just tap on the clip like this is a voiceover clip, and then use the volume button at the top right here to reduce it. You see that the moment you start reducing it, the orange bars will start fading away. So you can see it has faded, but when you increase it, you see it at the top of the blue bars. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to do is to add transition to our video. We're going to look for something that is cool. Since we're on the free version, we're going to use a free one, but we're going to look for something that is smooth. So I'm going to use a monitor effect. So tap on it like this. It's under the overlay section. So just tap on it and drop it in between the two clips here. We are going to increase the duration a bit so that it will not be too fast on the screen. So we have increased the duration to 5 seconds, and then we're going to hit on the apply to all button to apply the effect to all the clips on the timeline. So now that we have the effect applied to all the clips on the timeline, the next thing we are going to do is to hit on the export button and export this video in the highest video resolution available. So click on the export button here and rename the file to boring sleep. Then come to this section and choose the resolution. So always use the highest resolution available. This is 4K, so we're going to use 4K. Then when you are done, to maintain the MP4 format here and also maintain the 30 frame rate and hit on the export button. So I hope you see how easy it is to create this type of videos. You can go ahead and share your thoughts about it in the comment section. If you're already into it, to go ahead and share your experience with that in the comment section. What a previous video I posted on how I created product advertisement video with AI. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.